Hi friends, welcome back to Garden and Grub.
Here we go to the farm. So today we're going to spend the day at the farm. There's the barn, the chickens, coop. There's all our allotments.
Hi everyone, today we're at the allotment plot at the farm. I'll give you a detailed tour and a little history in another video of this area. But for now, I'm going to give you a tour of what's growing here. So today the plan is to plant some beans, make some adjustments to the irrigation, pull out the garlic. It looks really bad. Should have been pulled out a while ago, but this plot is taken care of by my sister's family and me, and she's been really busy the past month. So I've been doing it on my own and I just couldn't do it. So it is what it is. I'm not sure if I'll be doing this farm plot again next year. I really have to think about it because it's a lot for me and my illness to do it all by myself. My small garden at home is enough for me to manage, but this was supposed to be done with my sister and I, and she was busy last year most of the time and as well as this year. So, you know, even though you want something, sometimes you can't fit it into your life. So this year it is what it is. Whatever grows, grows. I'm not really maintaining it. The tomatoes need to be staked. I just don't have enough energy each visit to do everything that needs to get done. So as Jess from Roots and Refuge says, sometimes you got to let the low end drag. And that's what's happening here. So anyway, let's get to it. So over there is garlic, which I'm going to pull up today. I did an experiment here with tomatoes in buckets using these ceramic watering spikes, and that's doing well. Here I have some squash covered because we have what do you call those squash bugs. We have some flowers there. Eggplants are over here. On this side, on the left side, is all our peppers, and that's borage there. This bed here is all tomatoes. Oh, I see some ripe ones down there. Here today, I'm planning to plant beans. As you can see, there's irrigation line. The irrigation line goes to the rain barrel, and it actually waters the plants while we're not here. Sunflower. Now, so over here is the anise hyssop, and there's some lemon balm over here. Look how wonderful it's growing. Here's some more squashes that are growing here. Some squash bugs, babies hatched. Oh, there's some more squash bug eggs. If you see those are squash bugs eggs. And you want to get those off because they will hatch into these critters and they will kill your plants. Here are the romas, and the bell peppers are here somewhere. I don't know if they're on the plant yet. No, I don't have bell peppers growing yet, but when they start, I will give you an update on those. So in this section, we're going to plant some Ireland Creek Annie dry beans. So this whole section where we're planting the beans are going to be all drying beans. There's a few different varieties that I'll be planting here, but these ones are the Annie Creek, and they're like a brownish color. I've never planted them before, but since this plot is more of a hands-off and we're not here very often regularly, I wanted something, I like planting green beans wouldn't make any sense because no one would be here to pick them, but drying beans, you kind of plant them, let them grow, and collect them when they're dry. So this is the irrigation that we use, and it drips nicely. It works really well to help feed the allotment and water the plants. So that's it for today. I know it's a short one, but it is a lot of work and it's really difficult for me. So I only can do a little bit, tiny bit at a time. And thank you for joining me today and spending time with me today at the farm. In the next farm video, I'll give you a full tour. I don't have the energy or the strength to walk, even with my cane, to walk the whole property, to show you all the wonderful parts of it and a little bit of a history, but I'll do that next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye, friends.